Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Silke.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, and me too. I'm so happy to have you here in our ashram.
My goodness, long time ago, but
Yes.
so you made such a beautiful place.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
And maybe you can help me. I have, because of lots traveling, I have a little bit cold from the AC in the plane.
Okay.
And I have, my nose is running actually. I have a bad cough. So, you know, I know you have a lot of plants here.
Yes.
And maybe you can recommend me something what I can take.
See, in our ashram, you can see the medicines everywhere. You know, it is
Yes.
available here. So you have like severe cold and running nose and cough, right?
Right.
See, the medicine is exactly in front of us.
Oh, really?
Just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
See, I think you are already familiar about this plant, okay?
It looks like Tulsi.
Tulsi, yes.
Ah.
It belongs to the basil family.
Okay.
Okay, this is one of the best natural remedy for cough and chronic running nose and cold. You know, basically what you need to do is you just need to grind this,
Yeah.
okay? Or you can also chew it
Yeah.
along with 2 or 3 peppers. You know,
Okay.
pepper.
Yeah.
That will work as a miracle for you. If you do this morning once, afternoon once, and evening once, it works a miracle, and your running nose will run away. Okay, have this. Okay.
Thank you.
Good.
But one more question.
Yeah.
Why did you go there and pray?
This is actually a good question. You know, normally what happens, we consider God is everywhere, right? So now I'm plucking this plant. So the plant has a life.
Yes.
So I need to pray the plant saying that, hey, I'm taking you for some good reason. So sorry. I need to ask sorry, and also I need to pray the God, please give your medicinal value for the patients whom I'm going to give this. You know, this is the way we Hindus, you know, we Indians, we interact with the nature.
Yeah.
This is in our culture. This is in our tradition. We see God in everything, and so. This is the way you interact with the nature.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can do just namaste also when we pluck in.
Yes. You just do namaste and say that I'm plucking you. Please don't mind that I'm killing you, but I am taking you for a good cause.
Yeah.
So please bless us with a good medicinal value.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, and please be in our ashram and enjoy the
I will
ashram.
do it.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.
See you later. Namaste.
See you.